put the fire here, okay?
Yeah, blow it.
Got it. Yes, yes. Got it. Help it. Okay. Okay. Yay.
Okay, take.
Take it.
Happy birthday
Yes,
to
take it and eat
you.
it.
Happy birthday.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Wow.
Enjoy.
So funny now.
Play good.
I like this one again, Mama. Happy birthday, and the star born tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yes.
You play that one other Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the star burn tonight. Happy birthday to you.
Like moon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wait. This one.
No, I'm gonna cut it for you. Give me. Okay.
Wow.
Take it.
You also
Baby,
eat?
baby.
Give it
Give
to
the baby.
you.
Well, look, this was my
Okay, okay.
Okay, I'll cut another one. But I don't know. Baby.
Open. Open.
Thank you. How many times I'll say thank you.
Because it's your birthday, so all the people are wishing you. So you have to thank them, right? Enjoy your day.
Okay. Ah. So stupid, Daddy. Why is dropping my birthday?
Sorry. Kaya ka mo.
Okay, Daddy.
I'll cut more cake for you, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, take this, okay?
Wait. What's that? This one.
Yeah. do it. Come on.
What are you supposed to do?
Now cut it, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I want
Okay, you cut that.
to cut this.
Yeah.
Why is too strong? Dun, dun, dun.
What's this? What is this?
Wow!
Wow!
Tiger!
What is this?
Mine! Look at me, I'm handsome!
You look like a snowman.
It got me thinking now, should I take it or leave it out? It got me thinking now, and now I'm stuck in this loop